Have you ever wondered about purchasing an investment property? Hi, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty and welcome to Homebot. As you continue to build wealth through home ownership, you might have enough equity in your current home to put towards a down payment for a new property. Having two property means you could grow equity with both houses. Do you love your home or are you open to moving? If you love your home but have all this equity, you consider this second property an investment. Moreover, you might consider renting it to help with mortgage payments and generate additional income. Make sure you can handle 2 monthly mortgage payments simultaneously with or without a renter, and that you are comfortable with being a landlord. If you have any questions about your Homebot account or investing in real estate, please feel free to reach out. As always, we're here to help, and we'll talk with you soon.